Now let's see how to create a pivot table in Excel. First, we need to create a table. Press Ctrl T. Click OK. Now the table is created. To create a pivot table, select Insert, Pivot Table from Table Arrange. Select Table Arrange. The table is automatically selected. Then choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. You can either choose New Worksheet or Existing Worksheet. I'm going to use Existing Worksheet. Select the location. Click OK. Now this is the area where we create a pivot table. First, let's select a numeric field to add to the values area. Let's select total price. We can change the value format to be dollar value. Now the format is changed. Then select a non-numeric field to add to the row area. This row item divides up the total value in the values area. Let's select items. The items divide up the sum of total price in the values area. Now select date and time field to add to the column area. Let's select month. Change the order of the month. Now this pivot table is created. We can add a filter by creating a filter in this area. Drag month into the filters. Now you can see filter on the top of the table. By selecting the month you want, the table will only show the data of the month you selected. You can select multiple items. Let's see, February and March. Now data of February and March are only shown in the table. Let's now move back to the columns. Now there's another way to create a filter. This is in the pivot table Analyze. Select Insert, Slicer. Select Month. Click OK. Now the filter is created. Select the month you want, and then the data is changed differently. Or you can create a filter in another way by selecting Pivot Table Analyze, Insert Timeline, select Date, click OK. Now you can choose the date area in a time zone. Now we can delete this and refresh, click, select all. Now we want to change the price of the printer. The unit price of the printer changed to $100 and total price is then $500. But the pivot table doesn't change the price of the printer automatically. See, it's still $550. We need to click the table and select refresh. Now the dollar value is changed to $500. So remember, every time you need to change the number, the pivot table doesn't automatically change number. You need to select refresh. Okay, this is how we create pivot table.